Hello everyone and welcome. Today, we'll be going through a mini exercise to boost your self-awareness and effectively manage stress, creating your personal stress map. The reason we map our stress is that awareness is the first step to management. You need to recognize your stresses to start taking control. It's crucial to remember that your stresses are unique, and personal triggers are more important than generic advice. As the saying goes, if you can name it, you can tame it. There are several categories of triggers we can consider. These include external triggers, such as work deadlines, noise, and social expectations. Internal triggers can involve self-criticism, perfectionism, and the fear of failure. Environmental triggers might be crowds, clutter, and screen time. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating your stress map. First, find a quiet moment and grab a pen and paper in a calm setting. Next, divide your page into sections for external, internal, and environmental triggers. Then, list your stresses, writing down 3 to 5 for each area. To help you with this, here are some journaling prompts. Consider the situations causing you tension. What makes you tense lately? Reflect on rush and anxiety. When do you feel most rushed? Also, think about repeating patterns. What keeps happening over time? There's also a visual mapping option you can use. In this approach, you would put you in the center. Create branches for the main stress categories extending outwards, and then add sub-branches with specific examples linked to each category. Once you've mapped out your stressors, ask yourself these reflection questions. Which 3 stressors stand out the most? Then, conduct a control check. Are these stressors within or outside of your control? Finally, determine which stressors you can reduce or reframe. Which can you minimize or see differently? It's important to save your map for future reference. You can keep it in a journal or personal notebook, save it digitally as phone notes for easy access, or print it out as a visual reminder in your space. In summary, this exercise provides you with your first tool, your personal stress awareness map. This tool helps you recognize the power of patterns in your stress responses, enabling you to gain control. Our next step will be to explore how thoughts fuel stress cycles. Thank you.